Have you ever thrown away a light bulb like this just because it no longer lights up? This bulb has absolutely no reaction, but when I install another bulb in the same socket, it lights up normally. When this happens, most people will think the bulb is completely dead and throw it straight into the trash. But today, I will open it up, find the exact part that failed, and bring it back to life using simple, cheap items available right at home. Do not look away, because the reason this entire bulb stopped working is only in one tiny detail you may never have thought of. First, I gently remove the diffuser cover. Once the cover is removed, the LED chips are arranged around the circuit board. The problem now is how to identify which LED chip is damaged. By looking with the naked eye, it is almost impossible to know. So I will make a very simple testing tool. I take 2 small rivets and grind their tips sharper. The sharp tips will help make precise contact with the 2 very small terminals of each LED chip. That way, when testing, we can touch the right position without slipping to the side. Next, I take a piece of wire that already has a battery connector. I will connect each wire end to one rivet. One end acts as the positive terminal. The other end acts as the negative terminal. Use electrical tape to cover the exposed wire tightly. Now we have 2 small probes that can test each LED chip. The main task now is to find the exact LED chip that keeps the whole bulb from lighting. If an LED chip is still good, it will light up. Test them one by one in a fixed circle so no position is missed. And here it is. This chip did not light up. Just one small LED chip like this can make the entire bulb go out. I use a marker to mark this position so I do not get it mixed up during the repair. The next thing I need to do is remove the LED board to handle the damaged chip. This LED board has been firmly fixed with silicone glue, so I will remove the glue with a flat screwdriver. After taking the circuit board out to repair it, I need an LED chip of the same type that still works well. Luckily, I also have an old LED bulb that is no longer used, but I cannot just take one randomly. First, I check which LED chip is still good for replacement. Use the 2 probes we just made to test each chip on the old circuit board. Great, these LED chips still light up, So we will have something to replace it with. Getting the damaged LED chip out and replacing it is another important problem. I come up with a way to secure it on a stand so it does not move. Then heat the LED leg area so the solder softens. When the solder starts to soften, the LED chip can separate from the circuit board. Do the same with the good LED chip on the old circuit board. Once the replacement part is ready, I place the new LED chip in the exact position of the one just removed. Align it very precisely to secure the contact points. Alright, the replacement LED chip is now in the right position. I have to check whether the LED chip I just replaced actually works or not. Surprisingly, it lights up. This shows that the replacement LED chip is making proper contact and working well. Then use a cloth to clean the circuit board. The hardest part of the repair is complete. I place the LED board back into the bulb body. Connect the power wires back to their original positions. Do not glue it yet. I want to test the bulb first. If I glue it in place right away, and the bulb does not light taking it apart, again will take much more time. Now comes the most important moment. Oh my god, it lights up again. From a bulb with absolutely no reaction, now it lights up normally. This proves the fault is not in the entire bulb. Just one damaged small LED chip is enough to make the whole circuit stop working. After confirming the bulb works stably, I use glue to secure the circuit board firmly. Sometimes the real joy is not saving some money, but being able to repair things by hand, right in your own home. How many points would you give this experiment? Leave a comment and let me know. Do not forget to hit like and subscribe so you do not miss the next videos.